Oniadofo dear no how a dear no adwendwen dear no kodana a dying and a wasie and our pensions in papa a day apostle and a dying wutimo na sensu to a nuno enuntia ma wona akwakoye bisi basa any and media sempa enam natural things a be warm and some a day amasa crofoni nyina se tutumi kana bra warm akache na warm mms so how no ano emfa emau enunti fa warm number e wo screen no eso na any warm endi eye kasubu sase warm adwuma so aninti no adansifo age womo atum ne true things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda
munim se ai krobofo ensem eguso enam we eye breaking news we ensem a ekoso ai emma muni na mote se ye ka kire ye se krobofo any light ya cut on my life for getting to 2 weeks na ye ko free energy minister na ye ka kire se Assemble na owo kafa ensem won okache se krobofo ECG ana akoso modam enye omodea ampa enne dia akoso wo krobomam no omo kire se Electricity Company of Ghana ana akoso modam no enye krobofo dia na den aba krobofo a esan se 2 weeks ni omunya light omasua dia gadwo se yemfa light ni eden ensam bro obubrem no an ye the light ni baya few days mama want rumors be say few days and a few hours now you saw light no you saw light you no to say transformers be me war no e preja na de adenti you say dum ni biom na ye say you be correct I and there omo da woman ka bi anshem mama ka bi anshem ECG for buyer they are coming to install the meters no omo pass on the installing meters no krobofo e ka tom say there be da no omo banso no mo ni military men hey asrafo police for akuku dam ebimu tintini gram omo gina so si kenkita omo shocker electric shocker hey tear gas hey me say no make it omo de mo tu ankasa emo tu na one hour we o ma so omo mpene e ma ye installing meters no ai ya bro mo yie iti ahwefo me pesa nka ye kohwe video ni ye den e ba ni ye ba ibe bisa say na nya bia adenti na meter ye be installing say yema Ghana for will fight against it adenti amenya krobofo yi e dey ni omo problem denti omo so omo mpe there is a prepaid meter e wo mo dan ahwefo mo man kohwe video ni ba ni ye ba ye be start to aso eye mobo nkofo yi ya bro omo ankasa ya bu nipa ni ya bu omo tse ni ya bru konfo man kohwe video ni ba
Oman kaje, oman wishmen without she, Yamu can say a deal with the yes, like a deal with about the Kitamon of their side brown on the base. If you back up, pay up out of what the body and I'm lost like the best of their side in the best. I made that present to cut up and
if you know, me die. You catch me, sir. Consensus, because sense for see because no make us they meeting it serious for mabu because say ade we dey this try o see me free kwa me dey me baba be duare o see dabi na o mo abonu saa na class me be sikra sikra o see simosi ya ndasofo ya jimenti o musuma mo se o mba be bre wa hanu enu ti na mo ba ye saa de me say me free kwa me dey ka tell say baba duare enu no na o akọ oh aban there ye brand wo ye krum hanu because oye no agi say on why wa hanu aban no oye na agi say on why wa hanu enti ye say ye twa for 2024 ye twa mu so mu say omu ye be ma omu na say e be go tell me e be here dey be constitute
Cause Kwabrane say prepaid meter ni e boni dan no. O se won pe. Na question na Ghana phone tumi bisa ye. Ama asem we ya fa ne tra won se ensem ba wo man mu a ya fa ne tra ya fa ne so quiet ye mfa se ye di atwen beto ye mpese ye di atwen beto asem no asem we nya asem e da ho tra o adentina a particular people and then aba Accra yensu prepaid other regions e ko baby mu a me ko Ekuropon na me hu say they were installing prepaid meters they installed it quietly. Obian kasa, obian complaining, ECG for coin no installing. Na denti pa na menya krobo yi, ana yellow krobo voice chinchinia. Omo die. Prepaid meter installing, omo di omo mpini, and they are going boot for boot. So one omo be wo, sem kwa omo be nyao. Whatever that will happen, they insist not to go for the prepaid. And at the year one say, and pennyfo no mu negotiate here. Obian from chief, obian free any district chief executive, and from obian no mu kasa say, and then out team mu phone den tinantia, dem ban your masem. What is their problem? And then no more reason. Enti omo kase. Adie meter yi, prepaid meter yi. Omo pe. Ni enti sa menyo klobo yi. Omo problem, their doubt. Denti omo so omo pe prepaid meter. Eye no denti. Ana is it because na first omo tria light. Send ye canon. Ana den omo e den ba e na yisi for. Aden omo ni nkofo we so ntina se. But akwete say oh, say e be install na unti ase e was say fa military men. No omo be gina na omo intimidate you. Say sa na Ghana aba no. Yet to omo a country that we live in. So Oceana want to make comply with the government. They have to bring the police, the people. Omo ya robbers. Many club of funny real club of funny. Omo ya robbers. Ade an robbers. See kan kito bi sem. That work kito bi sem. Ni a chikwa bra ni a bono. All because bibia. Because the government himself sa issue na ekoso no emfa omo. Issue na ekoso many club yi ana club maimu emfa obia ho. So you pound pay. I was see installing prepaid meter at the mouth. Say confirm some prepaid meter. Channel. They should move them. They you free national grid. So asa. So mo pay. So mo prepaid meter. Okay, Ghana for na diatum. Say prepaid meter. But the problem is prepaid meter. There is a question mark against it. Prepaid meter. There is a problem behind it. Prepaid meter. Asem wo ho. Ghana for dwen ho. Nkofo atena se say no. Prepaid meter ebe hintiom. But Ghanaians are not seeing it that way. Oh, ebi nkofo feel say nkofo na dey almost stubborn life and omo akuma na omo pe and omo person omo install prepaid meter. E dia ma omo. Say prepaid aga prepaid in the say bedu asun. Ye mfa bi obi am show the way using the water and man na obe use. But the question now more bisa mo say nkofo we dem party e den nkofo yi problem e den ni omo how enti omo do omo ayo ma say penyo pano twini o they will never, no matter what, they will never accept prepaid meter in their land. Omo mfase kan enhia police ni bia omo mfa enhia police ni bia enso omo kwade ye ko na ye se ko install meters ya ye nya kwabrane frame military men e mo ni tina timamufo so ni ya bo omo ti we ye bo ni pa ba ko no wu ya ye di ni kra be twa so ana asa na sundue beba ade we na ekoso na aban nani na ye te se e ho nya problem no And the problem, you see, a beswa, yeah, the match is blue, the match is to heavy. A jabber telia, a match is kit heavy. Assembly nam was an a pussy. Assembly nam menya crobon a pussy. Now go for Felicia a jenny. Iti who wusie na jenny ma. San what trio o etum na wusie pu edum na jepum na jani teria ene yebe. Kana for me pese ye kohwe second video ni ba ye ba me tire nsem. Why these people they don't want the prepaid meter in their lands? No kura ne dawa ye mpese ye de beto. Muma ye nko ye kohwe second video ni ye ebra ye ba ye be sato aso.
Good afternoon, sir. This afternoon we were here where the police, the soldiers, they came and attacked we to give us prepaid. But we didn't thought that we would take the prepaid. Me, I don't know what they are doing, sir. I'm from Bush. I go and cut firewood. So after we from the place where we go and drop the firewood, as we are coming and we meet the soldier mess, and they attack me by force and start to beat me rough. I don't understand. I don't know what I do them before they start to beat me. They beat me up. See, this is a catapult. This catapult. I don't know why they beat me just like that. Oh, they shoot me seriously. I don't know what happened before they are doing that thing. I didn't say anything, so I went to police station and collect medical form. This is my medical form. I went to police. They collected my cartilage and my everything. Even the one who is driving the Aboboya, the motor king driver, they shoot him up and they wound him, they hurt him. I don't know what to say, sir, because I don't understand what they are doing. What I'm saying, I don't understand what they are doing because Yawaya Chrome and TV Omuya no Mitias, yes, Bibia, and Kawasa Omunyomu Wabotre. They have to have patience and come and talk to we as brothers, as you see. But I don't know the reason why they bring soldiers by force and come and attack we. You see, so if anything, they have to come to we and talk to we as brothers so that understanding will bring peace. In fact, myself, I'm not aware that something will happen today. I just have a call that ECG and the soldiers and whatever, they are in town to store prepaid goods. But myself, I'm not aware. In fact, when I came to the ground, in fact, I'm not happy. As I am not happy. Because you cannot beat somebody because of people. You cannot use things that you're supposed not to use on human beings because of people. I think there's no understanding. I think the people are going too much. I don't know whether they are just going wayward. I cannot know what is happening. Come back. In fact, myself, I'm a leader. As I said, everyone, if you are coming to do something, we all know what is happening for some time now. You have to inform me that, honorable, we are coming to the ground. Inform maybe your chief, your community people, or something, the unit committee. Then we see the way forward. But no, just sometimes you are in town because you have the power, you have the soldiers, you have this thing, so you are coming to brutalize my people in my community. That is not right. I'm not happy about what happened. Look at pregnant women, people that are coming from farm and things. innocent people. What is happening? What is happening in my community in Ghana? No, there's no way. The big men have to come out and talk to their people that they are going too much. They are going too much. Yourself, you can see. You can capture some of this, so I can also, you can capture and show to the whole world and Ghana what is happening. My quick advice is our big men have to come out. The clergies, the stakeholders in the community, the chief executive, the MP, include me as everyone and others stakeholders and the government and the regional minister. Now we are dying and we cannot continue to be dying because of prepaid. There's no way. We don't want to die. If we die, who will use the prepaid? Who will pay bill for this thing? We don't want to die. They should advise themselves.
In summer cosuini na opian phone. She seen the media phone on your time. I cover videos. I cover no more town. Every Ghana for this is going on. But there is more to this issue. There is more to talk about. But let's come to it. First question. Prepaid meter. It is chassis or Accra. Fine. You started prepaid meter. Prepaid meter on quite buy. Your system meter you can buy 3 times in Accra. Why? Because first one here they buy electricians be mutinasi in your time. Eba prices some meter we. Some electricians are in Ghana. Oma bypassing some meter we na. Oma bypassing meter. Ena almost that be okay. Then some for meter for beba. Still near share meter we at the baba no. Omu tumi nyanhwe. Ena sadi next meter here then e buy. Yati meter e buy me you making sure ne sese obi a de kakaka. Ukona meter wonya problem a ne asesa. Ukona wonya meter problem no ya asesa. And also boys some electricians yeah what they making sure that they will find a way to bypass it. Fine. Teddy, their name one and say who share who you swear na it say meter ni every reverse no enye bibia e ECG fo na e omade omo ye na pass randomly na wa ba na ya sisa meter na ma na the new one ni bia den ama na no you can't bypass it. But the question is, why is it that the people in Accra, the capital city, you see enipa eye juma enipa ye bibia adenti na capital city na ye teno, people are bypassing the meter because at the rate say light who use say any institution who individually who betua say who use 50 Ghana e wa Accra e betu baby na Ghana for so because people need dio musika Accra for na me go people need dio musika if the people are finding ways of me to bypass the meter no matter what because kwa brandi etumu say no otumi to 50 Ghana end 1 week now 50 Ghana asa it was steady at time omodi meter ibae obeko afie baakum na nipa be 15 nipa be 16 no mo ti 1 meter so won say old meter no first old meter na yem be fa prepaid mine obeko nkofo fie no na 1 meter ebi o be 2 ni achicha madam fo nkofo bebre be oni ba ni ache etua toko anim ba prepaid ni bae na nkofo nya kwan and to me yes anyone to mo say na ntoko aba because ebi mo to mo say me ma 50 Ghana and echi ya me ma 20 Ghana and echi ya no light nasa so people started feeling bad and the man go for feeling say and yes o ma ko jo mo single prepaid meter it will go for fear at the highest rate in go for a use prepaid meter at the highest rate go for use prepaid meter no ye be ni battery 2 bi pe on ko bi fe on ni pa 5 for use prepaid meter because I didn't talk about it will be right now is insinuation and I to say obey you so prepaid meter singly onu ko obey you so on meter onu ko obey you so on prepaid meter send yes sound eye den o na no crown polo people are not being able to pay their electrical bills comfort to me to because kwabani to me 200 Ghana and the 2 weeks na 100 Ghana no atwe asa it's you be nya in Accra and environments in kofoye legals ti say to maybe na this is for sequel no mo ka some teaching gasa e dey to be cheap for by thousands of people because you pay to me and it's for you back allegedly they will do swine no ma connect no ma track Accra the amasan kofoyi na asem na yakate to omo kwa within 1 week na nipa na sa bypass meter no because people are not being able to buy their prepaid meters because etrium dodo ejuma na nipa na eyesen yetua wo sen omo yetua mo 500 Ghana 600 Ghana wajuma mu omo beto light 100 Ghana no wadi sen Natalia kwa beto kwa yesen Natalia also auto yanji prepaid se kani abesi ni su no obenya TV ahwe na esi be woni dem kran na otua light say so people are bypassing the prepaid meter here in Accra. Now look at this oba Accra se wo obi a wuti compound houses fine hwade se electricity company for ni pa ofie na omo ba be hwehwe wo dan ho a wo dey study onipa wo ni esi woni dem e wo se ne ye treat no na so mo ba no mu se esi border etia they go hectare no matter what 0 to down and no make sure say prepaid meter no on make sure say why illegal because omo nim say enkofo eti Accra omo yiso AC no omo to me tua meter no da omo to me tua prepaid because last me use meter I'm a witness me use meter and I'm so okay I will not bypass or do anything. Me come no man na trust me manage. Na me so me ACC so. Tio. Me to 100 Ghana. Within 4 days. Na 100 Ghana ni AC ni na den asa. To come into it. Onipa we adwuma a ye ntua no more than 1000 Ghana. Obetumi tua AC. Light obia wonya AC obetumi tua sa light way. 100 Ghana tell many times about into 4 days. Calculated 4 times in a month. 4 times in this 30 month. That means kwabrani be say 4 million. Now you pay them 1,000 Ghana no. Or pay say to me 4 million at the end of the month. People are bitterly complaining in this capital city that we are. It's a prepaid meter no. Question mark oh. Get here and say confirm bebre wa clear kasa bebre say bebre na ye illegal omo bypass meter no. And they just wait. No confirm bomb nchen then they just pay them. So what you say? It's a prepaid meter na e koso Krobo land. Question na mo bisa mo say Accra mpona yesi companies ni negua etumeko ni negua obi asole o free other regions ebe ye etuma oha no say ye mpo adwane prepaid meter na ya find solution they are Krobo for ni prepaid meter say they don't have any electrician or abenya time abe fast new prepaid meter you no abe illegal e dia ma wo. That is the truth you people don't want to hear. That is why these people are kicking against this prepaid meter. Ejuma ben ni wo Krobo memu factory ben ni yesi wo. Factory ben en yesi wo Krobo memu. Hospital say en yesi wo Krobo memu. Schools say en yesi wo Krobo memu. Enya akonkre ejuma nipa say na ti Krobo memu. Omo ni na dwane firi wa ba Accra. No more who told you said these people they are well-to-do people. How many of them? How many percentage of them I will compare to the people living in Accra? They can earn more than 1,000 cedis within a month compared to the people living in Accra. Aden. Ni ye to saw how they are got to also. Because already you go for you so postpaid meter that day. Look at how they were suffering to pay their electrical bills. So the government cannot sit down and talk to these people. Momo use the nice procedure. No mo fin two bills. E ka o ni na just a prepay because they feel say omo come momo tua light. When tisa untua na e bad. Mo there should be some initiative. What is be the initiative? Ye e ka na aba no. Ye mpe kwan na aba mbra. No mbre mu so okay. Say omo de kan ye fa ne say twem aba na de ka ade afa mo to so. Ya ja afa to ye ho so. Fine. We will pay 50% of the debt you were owing. They say 50% debt now more useful. They say you better create old postpaid network. See you create old postpaid need a 2 man. Then you better. They say what every man be a the bill ni bana the cape and yen to kwa ye ba ni etwem. O the cape ye betwem utua pe ni adwane. Ye ma bills ni empale go. Now mums another problem about this postpaid issue. I know somebody what the baby I feel trading. Our car say, oh my you light out within a month. postpaid near the buyer no na old meter near the buyer almost so much use light 28 million no be some say yes if you within a month you use light 28 million. That old meter no eto de bia e jame na bi wo so a electricity company for na e de e ka e wo man na e ka bia wo e paligu sankofo no bills so post na wo ba na e ka cho say o light in their train excess light that film they say 28 million o be say you see me and no say another disadvantage about that thing to club for say bi munam e de ka 17 million e bi mu de ka 8 million e bi mo bills buy some de ka 20 million e den company na nkofo e bi egu ho e den juma pa na mo ye o mu dem ade o mu dem o mu so gene o mu so machine o mu dem o mu so sewing machine o mu dem me ndi ma de crab club for e de gugu o mu dem a o mo boss bar and I'm 17 million 20 million and 28 million minim minim ti enu na nkofo e ka se na yente de yusu na me de ka 17 28 million and the sa me tua e hu to pa o and na isi for say they say be ma prepaid meter and na so mo say prepaid meter no it to go hard on them because then no mo here hey me see that me show video na me show dipo me say look at this town Nipa saying how many of them can afford all this thing. Come for be brain now Accra and they are depending on the people in Accra. And look at the high standard of living now. Accra. It go for a to any so they ding. The first say other regions say the prepaid meter ko board. Complain. It does not mean say prepaid na yo. Prepaid na cook for Ghana. Economically. Yet you want you too electricity bill because Opa use because Osan one about the top. Attain. Baby approaching ye dream. Baby approaching ye dream see a net. You need be bit like prepaid meter. And you postpaid. There no crap. So want to meet ya. I buy to me consider. Me a train. Ut meet ya. Ut meet 8 months. Who ye to manu tua ne kakran ebi wa ha yensu mo ne yesi ye hiafo yensu mo ne yesi ye ho kire ye iti ade na e koso okobomam na inkofo ni jira mo nemu e kasa e complain e nwenwe no e no chese prepaid meter no mo hu bi da o ana obi aka chom se be bomb wo ana obi aka chom se bibi wo mo they feel say they are making them be like as they are a city. This is not a city. These people are not the end. And then bad development ben bad na go club mo me come maybe me maybe go beside ne wife ase I know about go knocking akwaje list na ye de car see club mo baby wo kra ye bo kota and then the pop up ben pan ya man ko fowe na you see the voice o mendi esi o mo so sa oh and then oh my Ghana ebi mu free Ghana na hwe ma hu se yo ma we mu e penyefo ni bia mama ye hu se ye mu bi free Ghana ene ye no kure ebi mu free Ghana na ebi mu ti Ghana keke iti depending on party e be wa power no ebi mu free Ghana ebi mu free Ghana it whatever happens in these regions nobody cares Aden these people, they are not different from the people in the Volta region, or they are not different from the people in the northern region. Just say, but say, they want the same thing at airport, Media Krobono. It will same happen in the upper east and the upper west and the northern part of Ghana. Yeah, the Volta region, every happy paper, because the people might think say they can't afford. Prepaid, now meet near the man at the end of the day, you see for prepaid. Now you see will be 50 Ghana at the end of the month. Which means you Ghana light. Now to meet what consuming your mapa now my friend say AC what them now what to make consuming within a month now 100 Ghana come on any benya issue. Nobody would have had issue with anybody in this country. And this minimum be o team fear. Now you so only fridge or top 50 Ghana will say by 2 weeks esa aden machine a tree bomb. A tree then. Papa, you complaining, sir, say, I am fan, sir. It is certain now what aha, especially coming with our electricity no. And we are deep. It in control almost standing from right no. The first say and back to war. You people shouldn't think these global people are being stupid or are being ignorant about what they are doing. They know what they are defending themselves for. Hey, it is alleged. Na Ghana for be mu crack chere. So we bekum. Hey, you see prepaid. I for put and common light. And so we call police stations. We become military camps. Ni aye liga. About parcel light. Omo aban. Omo dia ka ban the chom light mom. And so we call ni aban parcel light. Enya na Ghana yo. Enya catch say airport company at the country chom light mom. Enya Ghana na yo. Enya Ghana na yo ne be catch say Ghana Broadcasting Corporation GBC. Omo the country chom light mom. It how much more these common people. Senkofona institution omu holding Ghana property any be bia o ma we mu no omu to me try lighter. Now how much more the common person who has not even been able to afford the university, who has not been able to get any access to good employment, etuma e wo man we mu, good health, good aden. And then look at it say I didn't go su kwa na eko and I pity how it is. Me no pako to me man military for command. Me no pako man military for command. I know to me catch you almost say ya kwa o me ye rough abuom. Hey, these are your fellow people. I don't know what happens when these people wear their uniform. I don't show matalia. They feel I don't you say moi. I don't know. Hey, Ghana yenhwe ye. Na nipa nipa. Na wo hwe video no be bisa say I hope say edu election these same people will come and I make a choice say Captain Smart can won asemu. Or say if you are crobo na about to go 2024 too. Now to ababa kupo di man MPP. Sebe wo ye chimi for. Me bu ni ti ana hwe 40 ahwe minute eti na make can say sebe wo ye chimi for. Na in his words or say wo ye chimi for. Na wonim sene Ghana etienne yetimu saa e de aboso nsem no enye me na me kan yo KKD e ka woni west mu me se da sende wo hwe me live ochina 8 am e wo Ghana nsem so na ochina e be yibutu be hiti wa ha enye me na me kan yo KKD say KKD aka kire me ne wo say o ka tell yen kan ti abanfo ne say abanfo ne ti o omo ye moa omo ye kwase ampafo enye me na me kan ehu video e wo ho se mpanyifo ye tioman mu na mpanyifo bi mu etumi wo nyonko panyifo so omo ye moa na wo so won se ye mpanyifo omo ye hu se ntatia na mu pa no mutia ye so omo pa omo je de omo pe won se ntatia se omo lie na omo na ma na wo dum sakoshe mu a no maskata no sa na mpanyifo ye omo se ye ni nyansa sebe to omo du a na omo de omo sika be rem omo de omo se rem mu na omo atiti ye ntem sa na tie but keke de si yanka omo gu so omo ye moa Ghana nyo omo dia Ghana ye dia Ghana ebe ye aha Ghana nsem ye hwe se police for IGP ene man pini for district chief executive omo Ghana ebenya time any crobofo ya tenase ni consider omo say these people is not the developed place ayebe mo prepaid meter because what are they working for prepaid meter e consume o fanchi mutrim because bills ni kokoso na confirm person meter meter any the prepaid but consider these people I am a to media bro. We did the limo Elikem Kwame Amega. I expose DH. I say no Ghana and beyond. Knowing Ghana and beyond, now we share na obi shebi. We share no obi suye de. Eti bi what I say. Aha. That sende. The best say share. Mini abema. Mini aba. Onyame on count. Onyame on shroud. Ghana dear. You see. Be ye. Ghana nsem. No ajim so. Yetin sem so. Bye.
Onyadofo de ne wo haw de ne wadwendwen de ne wo kodan na edan na wasiewie na wo penchensen papa de aboso anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwuno enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam natural things ebie wo mo ensem de amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo emmeso wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na eni wo mo endi eye kasubo sase wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo age wo mo atum natural things ana wo mo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda